Vámonos, baby.
Don't mess with the beauty sleep.
It is time to take the bulldozer by the horns.
Ah.
Oh, no. That is totally unprofessional.
Yeah. Whatever.
This time, when it's over, this crowd is gonna be all about the chickster. You hear me?
When am I supposed to finish this?
Oh no!
Here we go!
Yikes!
Ole!
This is my race, buddy, not yours.
You should be surprised right now. Are you surprised?
You did not.
Ooh!
You're gonna pay for this. Call my lawyer. And a tow truck. Ah!
I knew I would win. I always win.